Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to book a hotel in Agoda. By the end of this video you'll know how to book a hotel in Agoda app basically. So the first step is to open the app, and as you can see on the home screen you'll see this hotels tab. Simply tap on that. Then here at the top you'll have to search for your location, and then here you have to choose the check-in and check-out dates for how long you want to stay. As you can see I've selected 14 nights. Then here you'll have to choose how many rooms you need, how many adults, infants and children, and basically you'll have to specific the age of the children. So then as you can see you'll have other options like I'm traveling with my pet. So as you know, a lot of hotels and apartments doesn't allow you to stay with your pet, but if you check this box here, you'll see hotels and houses, apartments that allow you to do so. And here you can type the type of pet. You can choose the type of pet. So let's say you have a cat, then tap OK, and then you'll have to tap on search, and basically Agoda will recommend you different hotels. And as you can see the prices for 14 nights with taxes of course, and then you can simply tap on the hotel that you want to stay at, then tap on see all room, and then here you can check out the prices of different rooms, the details, and then simply tap on book, and then basically you'll have to tap on book and pay. So basically that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.